What's up guys? Lincoln pennies are popular among the coin collectors, with the most valuable ones selling for thousands of dollars online, ranging from the wheat and memorial cent to the VDB coin, which stands for Victor David Brenner, the artist who designed the Lincoln cent. They all feature 16th President Abraham Lincoln on one side. Abraham Lincoln was an American lawyer and statesman who served as 16th President of the United States from 1861 until his assassination in 1865, just 5 days after Union victory at the Battle of Appomattox Courthouse. Lincoln's emergence on the observed side of the 1 cent coin occurred in 1909, on what would have been his 100th birthday. Today the most valuable Lincoln coins are usually those with low mintage or an error, like double-dyed elements. Here is top 5 most valuable error penny coins. So this is double-die reverse Lincoln penny dated 1983, made of copper-plated zinc. On the observed, Abraham Lincoln facing right. On the reverse, Lincoln Memorial surrounded with the face value in full, the lettering United States of America and the motto E pluribus unum. The 1983 double-die reverse Lincoln cent is one of the strongest and possibly the strongest double-die reverse coin in the Lincoln cent series. The doubling is evident on the letters United, E pluribus unum, and the 1 cent. The doubling is strong enough to see with the naked eye, and it is categorized as being one of the major varieties in the Lincoln cent series. Graded at 68 mint state, it was sold for the record of $7,050 at Heritage Auctions in 2017. Here is 1970 1 cent coin with mint mark S, standing for San Francisco Mint. Weighing 3.11 grams, it has double die observed, made of 95% copper, 5% zinc. This is major rarity among varieties of the era, rarer than more 1969 S double die. The doubling is boldest at In God We Trust, Liberty and the date. Exceptionally brilliant red mint luster, blooms all over on both sides. It was sold for $11,456 at the Legends Rare Coin Auctions in 2019. This is 1992 Lincoln penny with no mint mark, made of copper zinc plate, weighs 2.5 grams. The most unique feature of this error coin is the closed AM letters on the inscription America. Picture above has a normal letter spacing, while the one below has closed AM lettering. Graded at mint state of 67 by PCGS, it went under hammer for $25,850 at Heritage Auctions in 2017. Currently, MS67 graded such coin is valued at $26,000. So guys, check your spare chains for closed AMs. Here comes 1972 1 cent coin with double die observed. It has very obvious and stark doubling on the date and all the letterings. The 1972 double die type 1 can be easily identified as it has strong doubling to the southwest on all 4 digits on the date. The word Liberty is also doubled towards the south. The words In God We Trust on the observed are also strongly doubled towards the east. This variety is popular and it's also strong enough to see very easily with the naked eye. MS67 Plus graded such coin was sold for $14,400 at Heritage Auctions in 2019. The most expensive gem among the error pennies, 1969 double die observed Lincoln, with mint mark S standing for San Francisco Mint. The 1969 S double die observed cent was one of the few coins ever to appear on America's most wanted list, not because it was such desirable coin, but because it was one considered to be counterfeit. By sheer coincidence, this absolutely real coin became tainted by another counterfeit, the 1969 double die observed cent. A true 1969S double die observed cent will not have doubling on mint mark, as the mint mark was punched into dice separately. On a machine doubled coin, the mint mark will be doubled along with the most or all of the legends and devices. A true 1969S double die observed cent will have strong and prominent doubling on the date. In this specimen, doubling appears on the southeast direction and is more prominent on the date. The word liberty and the words "In God We Trust." On October 29, 2007, collector Michael Tremonti created a lot of excitement in the coin market by announcing that he had discovered 1969S double die observed in an unsearched roll of Lincoln cents. The coin he found was in high mint state condition. This coin was immediately submitted to PCGS in a Brinks armored truck, where it was assigned a grade of MS64 red by PCGS. These same coins sold on January 9, 2008 at public auction for the record-breaking price, $126,500. Remarkably, Tremonti found a second example, which is probably by PCGS, MS63 red graded example that sold in Heritage auction on March 27, 2009 for $86,250. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button.